Plan with purpose. Teach with confidence. Welcome. Let's walk through the initial setup so your dashboard reflects your current school year and class periods. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. To add a school year, navigate to the Periods tab. Click Add School Year. Name the school year. This can be anything meaningful to you. Enter your start and end dates. Be sure to mark it as your active school year. This ensures all relevant data populates automatically on your dashboard. Click Add School Year to save. Now let's create class periods. Click Add Period. Name each period, e.g., Period 1, ELA, or 6th grade coding. By default, the system assumes the class meets Monday through Friday. If your schedule differs, simply select the specific days the class meets. If you have an early release schedule, you can choose the early release day. Set the adjusted start and end times for that day. This ensures your plans reflect the correct timing. Repeat this process for each class period. For this example, we'll add 3. Once you've added your school year and class periods, your dashboard will be fully personalized and ready. You're all set. Now go inspire,